Hi, welcome to today's session. So here we are going to discuss about the reasons why people fail in PMP examination. I'm CMR, Chandra MR, certified ITIL expert, PMP Prince 2 Agile practitioner, Agile practices and COBIT. So come, let us look at what are the reasons why people fail in PMP examination. So reasons of failure would include like formal training. When I say formal training, people may not have proper training and they don't have any guidance in terms of what to learn, what not to learn. So many people come to the training, they attend the training, but not everyone is actively participating during the training sessions. And that may be one of the reasons, which I have seen personally. Second is alignment. Now, best practice has its own conceptual details. One needs to understand the framework and concept very well and relate to the real-time projects, which is very important. When that alignment is missing, they will miss the visualization of how project happens and how this will contribute to the project management. So the framework understanding concept is not understood. At the same time, I have not aligned to the framework and concepts. And so the project is not visualized well in that case, or the framework is not visualized well in that case. Next is ignorance. Ignorance is like, okay, this is multiple choice questions, no problem, I will pass. So this is the thought process, ignorance, taking things for granted. I'm a practicing project manager, so I know everything, overconfidence. So one cannot be ignorant. At the same time, being lenient, like relaxed and not very focused. I'll study, let me study. And if I focus on this, it is okay. And trying to look at this particular examination, especially PMP examination, like the way I did in academics, I will just do that way. So academics is okay. Academics had its own dynamics, but this is professional certification course, and this will have its own dynamics. So when I say lenient, it's not about lenience related to subject alone. It's about the self. The person should work on his physical as well as mental status. So that concentration, what is required during the examination, has to be there. So that requires practice. The overall transformation should happen. So just relaxing will not help. Being lenient will not help. Then having sense of urgency. When I say sense of urgency, sense of now. So people are very great planners. They put the plan very well, and as they put the plans, they fail in terms of bringing that plan into action. Now, I created a plan and I said, tomorrow let me start this. And the tomorrow let me start this, that tomorrow will never die. So there is no sense of now. We'll do it later attitude, will not work. So the moment you started preparation, it has to go continuously and there is no second thought about it. That repetition. So I always say in all my sessions that repetition is prerequisite for mastery. Where we don't repeat something on a regular basis, we cannot excel in that. So I understood a concept and I kept quiet. And I opened that book or the video or the material after a long time. That doesn't work. So dedicated efforts every day, at least 1 hour every day. So I always say people after the training, once you have an application filled and submitted, you keep at least 3 months. This is an average, what I'm saying. You keep it for 3 months and then you work backwards the timelines. Look at the syllabus, go through the content based on the examination content outline first, then go through PMBOK. Don't go to PMBOK first. So then do the mock test in parallel. So repetition, do it repeatedly until you become confident and have the topic very clear to you. Do the repetition, and that preparation is very essential. And energy, keeping your energy high and having that interest to do it. Anything what we do with the full interest and full focus, we will definitely have a success. And also I told overall the details what I have given here, like formal training, alignment, ignorance, lenience or lenient, sense of urgency, repetition, energy. So all this we can turn it to positive only when we put things into the place. But when can we put that into place? To have our why. Why am I doing this? Why do I need PMP examination? What is that I'm going to get as a return? So let that be a motivation point for you. So always work on that. so that unless you have an ultimate objectives, you cannot have an action on ground to reach that specific directions. So keeping this in mind, and after discussing with many interested professionals who were trained by me and who are practitioners to whom I did the consulting, I have a lot of requests which has come up, so that to fulfill their requirement, I introduced a PMP examination preparation program, which is starting on 20th April 2023. So this is scheduled for 3 months. Keeping in mind, we can do 3 sessions in every week, and this will have some flexibility, having focused on exam preparation mainly, discussion on topics and related tests to the topics. So here, more than presentation, it will be discussions. So a lot of exercises will be done, and this will be for 3 months duration. And in the same time, at the same time, it's not just about PMP exam what we are focusing on. It's about people can learn practicing project management in real time. So that is the idea of this program. That is the reason it is scheduled for 3 months. People can join anytime, and from the date of joining, 3 months they can continue. And one will get that recorded videos of the sessions what they have come across, what they have attended, and also they can do mock test in my presence. All the best. Anyone interested can please write to me at ask@benakaservices.com. Thank you. Take care. All the best. See you soon.